In this video, you'll discover healthy bread alternatives. Hi ladies and gentlemen, I'm Dr. Zarowski and welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, it's a pleasure to have you here. Be sure to subscribe, hit that bell notification, join our notification community so I can help you excel your health and your life. In this video, we're talking about healthy bread alternatives. You know, this is an important topic because many people love bread, and bread is a staple food in many people's diets. However, there's some better options out there that we can utilize in order to support our mission of weight loss and living a healthier lifestyle and decreasing inflammation in our bodies. And so anyway, when we look at healthy bread alternatives, we have some better options here. Let's talk about them. Now, first here on our list is Ezekiel Bread. Now, Ezekiel Bread is great for a couple reasons. First of all, it's made with sprouted grains, which makes the nutrients in the bread much more bioavailable. It also makes it easier to digest and is not going to affect your insulin levels or blood sugar levels like conventional white or wheat bread will. The next one, and one of my favorites, is sourdough bread. Now, we like to actually make this right in our home, and sourdough bread is great for many reasons as well. First of all, it goes through that fermentation process, and as a result, it makes it very easy to digest. It also makes nutrients much more bioavailable, and it also is not going to affect your blood sugar and insulin levels just like Ezekiel bread won't. Now, there's lots of studies out there on sourdough bread, and many people even call sourdough bread one of the healthiest bread options available. Now, the next one on our list here is coconut and almond flour wraps. These are great options. We love these in our household. And one of the other things that you can do is have coconut or almond flour bread as well. I didn't put it on the board because you can make it at home and it saves you a lot of money, but if you go to buy these different coconut and almond flour breads, they're pretty expensive, so that's why I didn't write it. But there is, of course, the option to make it right in the comfort of your home, but these are great options, especially for those who are following the ketogenic diet. Now, the next one here is cloud bread or oopsie bread. This is one that many people love to make because it's very simple to make and it's an incredibly healthy option. It's just simply eggs, cream cheese, baking soda, a little bit of salt, and a few others, but it's very simple to make, and once again, it very much supports that ketogenic lifestyle if that's what you're going for. And then last on our list here is lettuce wraps. Lettuce wraps are incredibly good for you, and if you're looking to lettuce wraps, I always prefer that you use like a romaine lettuce over an iceberg lettuce because it's much more nutrient dense. So kind of going from the least healthiest to healthiest options here, that's the list. And by all means, all of these are great options and they're much, much better compared to your alternative conventional wheat or white bread. So anyway, when we look to these options, go ahead and share them with your friends because many people are asking this question right here, and that's why I'm doing a video on it. Give this video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, put it in the comments section below. And I'd also like to know if you've utilized these options and how you like them, or if you have some options I didn't mention. So share that with us, and then also subscribe to my channel. Check out my other videos on how you can improve your health, and I'll see you in the next video.